Mental health experts now want the Ministry of Education to mainstream guidance and counselling training for learners as an alternative to caning in schools to rectify negative behaviour. The experts, who attribute the current unrest in institutions of learning to mental instability among learners, say counselling was more sustainable in helping learners develop life skills to deal with emerging challenges.
The ongoing wave of unrest in secondary schools has raised anxiety among Kenyans, while the government, through the Ministry of Education, has issued directives, including the reintroduction of corporal punishment to help stem the problem. There has also been a call for the national government to consider counselling for learners.
Fire setting is one of the symptoms of a mental health problem that we call contact disorder, which is very common among the teens. So we cannot rule out the possibility of a mental health problem.
Mental health experts who attribute the school's unrest to mental instability say guidance and counselling were the only keys to solving the problem once and for all.
Let our students be given proper guidance and counselling so that they could be able to know the issues affecting them, so that we can be able to understand what is this that is making them to behave in the manner the way they are behaving.
Elsewhere, teachers and parents of Kayole Secondary School are a worried lot after a number of students in the school tested positive for marijuana, nicotine and alcohol. The test was carried out after teachers noticed unlikely behavior among some students.
We really had to have this today because of the issues that have come up. Most of our students have fallen to drugs and substance abuse. We really would want them to get assisted because the environment they come from, the Kayole environment, has a lot of drugs and a lot of peddlers and a lot of sellers.
The school deputy principal Amos Mwangi is now calling upon the government to ensure regular counselling for learners across the country.
We will not get tired until all our students, they become chemical-free, drug-free, and they're able to live their life to the full.
Finally, Drink Kick and Spread Truth Africa, a youth lobby group, want mental health stakeholders to come together and tackle the rising pandemic among the youth. The group made the appeal as it presented their commitment to youth mental wellness by supporting the Mental Health Wellness Week.
The issue of mental wellness, soundness, is a discussion that all of us as youth of this country need to discuss, and we need to bring on board all the stakeholders and all the partners to make sure that it's a campaign that we succeed. Because
Purity Museo, Channel 1 News.